this video, I'm gonna teach you how to level up in Gacha Club. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Gacha Club, you have levels, and you can level up by doing specific actions, primarily through enhancements. I'm gonna give you a basic overview on how to actually level up, but keep in mind that I'm not going to go super in-depth about how you can acquire resources to do this and the best methods. I'm simply gonna teach you on how to get the level up going. So first, when you download the game, you can tap on the Gifts tab and you will have the Gacha Club gifts. So just by downloading the game, you can claim all of these. You will have some other options here at the bottom that you can claim by subscribing and so on. But regardless, after you have acquired these gems and the coins, you can go over to units, and when you tap on any of them, you will see the option to enhance them. So you tap on enhance, and you will need to use these items. So you can apply these items here by tapping on them, and every time that you apply one of them, you will gain a specific amount of XP. So for example, this small star is going to give me 100 XP. So I can tap on enhance and I leveled up. Now I need 150 XP to get to the next level. So I'm going to need to use 2 of these small stars. And I can keep using them over and over to level up. So I'm going to get this character to level 5. You can gain resources to level up after you are done using all of the free ones that you claimed by going over to battle and training mode. As you can see, you can choose any of these battles here to gain some stars, skill moons, and awakening records. You can do elemental towers and the main story to also get additional rewards. So every time that you do a first clear, you will get the diamonds that you use for gacha. And whenever you want to level up a unit, just go over to the Units tab, and then you can change your party, change a specific unit, and level them up accordingly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you level up in Gacha Club, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.